First, connect them. Plug the dongle into the computer, and finally connect it to power. Then open the PAMFlash software on the computer. Select FORD SID208, click Identification to identify, click Read. And save the read password file to the desktop. Next, use a screwdriver to disassemble the ECU. Connect the ECU with colored jumpers according to the previous wiring diagram, and then solder the chip to the PCB board according to the wiring diagram. You can directly use the red wire to directly connect to CNF1 on the PCB board, which is very convenient. After soldering is completed, open the PAMFlash software. Select TC1797 Micro and click Identification to identify. At this time, manually pop up the switch button and click Read after recognizing it. Select the password file you just read and save it to the desktop after reading. Then continue to read the flash data and select TC1797 EEPROM. Click Identification to identify, and then click Read to read the data. Select the password file that has been read. Click OK to start reading. And save it to the desktop after the reading is completed.